Okay, so to change the parameters for one job, you'll open the job up, come up to Edit, click that, come down to Job Parameters. Now you want to select the library that you want to change the parameters in. So that's Frameless 2018. Click OK. And it shows the parameter setting that is currently being used right here. So we'll want to load in a new one, which is Cabinet Shop Standard. Click Open. It asks if you want to override them. Select Yes. Now you can see that the new standards have been loaded in. Select OK. Now if you want to double check, you can open up these parameters here and just look and make sure they look correct to you. If they do, then you're good to go.